Hey children, Sai Ram. Welcome to Active English class. How are you children? Have you all done your homework? Are you all practicing active English at home? Yes? So, kids, today you will think why teacher is asking so many questions? Yes, there is one reason behind it. And the reason is, kids, today we are going to see one topic, and that we are going to see some questions. Simple questions. Okay, in that topic we are going to cover some questions. Okay, just teacher will ask you some question and you have to write the answer for that. Okay, so let's move on to our topic. Okay, so first we will see some simple questions. Are you all ready? Okay, now the first question: who made this cake? Who made this cake? See, someone is asking to someone. See, this is a conversation between two people. One person is asking to another person, who made this cake? Second question, what are you doing? What are you doing? Next question, when is your birthday? Next question, where is your book? Next question, why are you so happy? How are you? See kids, all this question, who made this cake, what are you doing, when is your birthday, where is your book, why are you so happy, how are you, how we come to know this question, all these are question, because at the end of that there is one question mark, yes or no? So we come to know that we are asking some question. You come to know that teacher is asking you some question, yes or no? Whenever we write some question at the end, what we put? Yes, we put a question mark in it, yes or no? So kids, based on this, today we are going to see one chapter, and the name of that chapter is very simple. The chapter is, and the name of that chapter is questions. In this chapter, we are going to see some simple question, very simple question. Okay, and you have to just see the question. You have to just see the question, and you have to give the answer to that question. Okay, don't worry, teacher will help you. Okay, now what is question? Let's see first. A question is a type of sentence that we ask or write to gain further information from a person or people responding. I repeat, a question is a type of sentence that we ask or write to gain further information from a person or people responding. Okay, now what is question? Question is a type of a sentence that we ask to other person, or other person ask us to gain more information about that thing, or a person or people responding. Okay, so written questions are punctuated with a question mark to show that the sentence has been completed. Okay, so when we are writing a question, at the end what we put? We put a question mark. And why we put question mark? So that it indicates, it shows that our question is completed. If we are asking someone, what is your name? And at the end, if we don't put a question mark, what will happen? What will happen? It will look like a question? No. What is the identification of a question? When we put n at the end, when we put a question mark, we come to know that this is a question. Yes or no? So, like this, we are going to see some more questions. Okay? So, are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay. Very simple questions, kids. See now, often but not always, question sentences begins with one of the following words. I repeat, Often but not always, question sentences begin with one of the following words. Yes or no? See these words. Who, what, when, where, why, how. See, whenever you have seen a question, the question starting word must be from these words. Yes or no? Who put this book over, who kept this book over here, or what are you doing, when you're going out, where is your school, why are you angry, how are you, yes or no, how are you, yes or no, this type of questions. So whenever we are starting with the question, the starting words are who, what, when, where, why, how. Okay, so based on this, today we are going to see some simple questions. Okay kids, let's start. Write answers to this question. Now very important point. See kids, you will write this right answer to this question in your notebook, and the questions also you will copy down in your notebook. If you are having active English workbook, you can fill in that. If you don't have, just take a notebook. If you have maintained a separate notebook for active English, you will write down all these questions and you will practice. Okay? First question. Which school do you go? Very simple. Which school do you go? See, now teacher is asking you, which school do you go? Yes, and how you will write the answer? Let's see. I go to Sri Ma Bal Niketan High School. How you will write the answer? I go to Sri Ma Bal Niketan High School. Okay. Now next question. How do you come to school? How do you come to school? So how you will write the answer? How do you come to school? See, some are coming by walking. Yes or no? Some are coming by bus. So how you will write the answer? Let's see. I come to school by bus, or I come to school by walk. See, those who are coming by walk, they will write I come to school by walk. Those who are coming by bus, they will write I come to school by bus. Okay? Don't copy both the answers. Those who are coming by walk, they will write I come to school by walk. Those who are coming by bus, they will write I come to school by bus. Okay? Now next question. When do you do your homework? When do you do your homework? When do you do your homework? In the evening? Yes or no? So when do you do your homework? How you will write answer for this question? Let's see. I do my homework at 7 p.m. every day. How you will write the answer? I do my homework at 7 p.m. every day. Okay? Now next question. What is your teacher's name? What is your teacher's name? So over here, you will write your respective class teacher name. Okay? How you will write? How you will write? Answer for this question. See. My teacher name is dash. In that dash, if your teacher name is Sonali Miss, you will write my teacher name is Sonali Miss. If your teacher name is Seena Miss, you will write my teacher name is Seena Miss. See, what is your teacher name? My teacher name is, if your teacher name is Pranoti Miss, what you will write? My teacher name is Pranoti Miss. Okay, in the blank place, you will write your respective class teacher name, and along with that teacher name, you will add the word Miss. Okay, how you will write? My teacher name is Sonali Miss. If your class teacher is Sonali Miss, you will write my teacher name is Sonali Miss. If your class teacher is Seena Miss, what you will write? My teacher name is Seena Miss. If your class teacher name is Pranati Miss, what you will write? My teacher name is Pranati Miss. Okay? Now next question. Whose book are you writing in? Whose book are you writing in? Now whose book you are referring for writing? Whose book you are writing? How you will write answer for this question? Let's see. I am writing in my book. I am writing in my book. You are writing in your own book? Yes or no? So how you will write the answer for this question? Whose book are you writing in? I am writing in my book. Okay? Next question. What is there on your desk? What is there on your desk? See kids, now you are attending the school online. Okay? So you are sitting with some books. Yes or no? And where you are sitting, you must be sitting on a table. So that table is your desk. Okay? So what is there on your desk? Just tell me. Yes, books. So how you will write answer for this? There are books on my table, or there are books on my desk. Teacher is asking, what is there on your desk? So how you will write the answer? There are books on my desk. What you will write the answer? There are books on my desk. Now one important thing, kids, you will write these questions, all these questions in your notebook. Okay? And you will practice this. Okay? We will see one new and fresh chapter in the next period. Till then, thank you. Okay? And keep on practicing this. Okay kids? Thank you kids.